Hello, teacher. Hello, everyone. I am Edgar Alejandro Rodriguez Vargas. I study environmental engineering. I am 41 years old. I live in city of Sogamoso. I work at Surveyor. During quarantine, I have fixed my car inside and out. We have organized the rooms and the closet drawers. I have cooked the most delicious dishes for my family, bathed and cut my dog's hair. I have exercised on my treadmill. We have also cleaned the windows of the house. I've been to the supermarket every 8 days. I have done several jobs for the university. I've seen many movies and animal shows. We have played with my family board games. Okay, this is a one I wanted to share with you. Thanks and bye.